Hi, Kevin Middleton, Country Flooring Direct. Do you have kids? Do you have dogs? I do. I love my kids and dogs, but sometimes, you give your kid a bottle of water and they just do this, whoops. Relax, don't worry about it. It's waterproof laminate. It'll clean right up. You can flood this thing, no big deal. Your dog gets down there, laps all over the place. It's okay. No big deal. Water, where does it go? Beads right up. We can come back here and clean this up, no problem. With old laminates, traditional hardwoods, if you got water on the floor, it would be a big problem. You'd have separation issues, you'd have discoloration, splintering. With the new waterproof laminate from Mohawk and Shaw, you can spill all you want. In stock now. Red water.